Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is AG Update. Still on the Sweatcoin listing. So Sweatcoin will be listed on Kucoin exchange tomorrow. So Kucoin will list Sweatcoin tomorrow, 13th of September 2022. As you can see this guys, Kucoin is extremely proud to announce yet another great project coming to our trading platform. Sweat Economy Sweat will be available on Kucoin. Supported trading pair is Sweat/USDT. So trading time is 9 a.m. UTC on September 13th, 2022. Withdrawal will start on the 16th of September, 10 a.m. UTC 2022. So you can see their tag Web3 move to earn DApp. So project summary: Sweatcoin will start with a total supply of 1 billion Sweat. So the initial market cap is $4.1 million. Issue date is on the 13th of September 2022, which is launching on the near chain. An initial circulating supply of 575 million Sweat, and finally an issued price of $0.00714. So Sweatcoin is going to start with a price of $0.00714. So that's the latest info you have to know about Sweatcoin listing on Kucoin tomorrow at 9 a.m. UTC. In Nigeria, that is 10 a.m. So if this video was helpful, please give it a like. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to hit on the subscription button. Thank you guys, and many more greens to your wallet.